Former squash world champion legendary Jahangir Khan has said that winning a medal is not just about a sport, but keeping the society and community together through sports is the real thing. Regardless of the sports players are involved in, success is possible only with hard work and discipline. He expressed these views while speaking on the occasion of the dinner given by South Asia Taekwondo Federation President Omar Said in honor of Professor Seok Lee, President of the Asian Taekwondo Union. Kook Hyun Jung, Technical Delegate of the 5th Combax Asian Open Taekwondo Championship, PTF President Colonel, Retired, Wasim Danjua, Supervisory Board Head Stephen Fernandez, Combax Sports Director of Public Relations Farah Said, Marketing Manager Sarah Mir, Ji Young Kim, Dong Hyun Kim and other guests were also present. Jahangir Khan said that for the further promotion and development of the sport of Taekwondo in the country, the patronage of government institutions, as well as the role of private sectors, especially combat sports, is welcome and worthy of emulation. Other institutions should also play their role in sponsorships. Professor Seok Lee said that we wish that Taekwondo in all member countries, including Pakistan, will continue to grow. I will remember and promise you that I will visit Pakistan again very soon. Regarding the championship hosted by Pakistan, Professor Seok Lee said that they value the best arrangements of the Pakistan Taekwondo Federation. This is a memorable one. It was an event for which PTF President Colonel, Retired, Wasim Danjua and his team are to be congratulated. In the end, souvenirs and awards were distributed on behalf of South Asia Taekwondo Federation President Omar Said to the guests.